If you've ever tried aerating your lawn with a garden fork or maybe a pair of those ridiculous spiky shoes, you'll know that it's back-breaking and an exercise in frustration. Well, today I think I've got the solution, because this is the Seasky Aerator, which has specifically been designed for the purpose of this job. And I do want to stress that I purchased this myself, so the video has not been sponsored, but we've been using this a little bit and I've got to say, it works perfectly. So basically we're dealing with 15 spikes here, just under 3 inches in length, which is going to give you that perfect aerating mechanism. The actual tool itself is well built, really easy to assemble. It came with all the tools to do that just in the box, and we have some comfortable rubber/foamy grip handles on the T-bar up here. And the way this works is really clever, but also really simple. If you've got a huge foot, you can fit that through there, no problem, and then just push down on this. You'll poke your holes into the grass and the soil. I do want to mention as well, this handle here is fully adjustable from 28 inches to 38 inches. So, you know, suitable for people of all heights, I suppose. And if you've not been really into aerating before, because it is such a palaver having to fanny about, as I say, with a garden fork normally or with the shoes, then definitely check this out, because it makes such a difference to your lawn. It really helps not only with the drainage once you've had a lot of rain, for example, or you've had the sprinklers out, but also with just making sure that the nutrients are getting to all parts of the soil. And something like this from Seasky should definitely be part of your garden tool collection. But for us, definitely happy with this purchase, and I hope the video helps.